divided by 3a plus b divided by a squared minus 6a divided by a squared minus 4a minus 12. This divided by sign looks hard to simplify, but it's actually pretty easy. You can then turn it into a multiplication sign by flipping this. So, 9ab divided by 3a plus b multiplied by a squared minus 4a minus 12 divided by a squared minus 6a. So we've already done one step. Now, as you can see, there is a quadratic formula here, but the often preferred way is factoring out. So let's do that right now. So, a squared minus 4a minus 12, right? So, let's see. A squared, we need to find something that multiplies up to, this is 1 times the minus 12 minus 12, and adds up to minus 4, so that's minus 6 plus 2. So I forgot to put a's here, I'm sorry. So, this gives us a minus 6 plus, plus a, oh, you have a plus 2, a minus 6. You have these two terms, you don't have to find out what a can be, that's what you got. So 9ab divided by 3a plus b multiplied by a plus 2, a minus 6 divided by a squared minus 6a, it's a minus 6. Now, there's something you've been looking for. We can cancel out these two terms. So, that leaves us with 9ab. We can now change that fraction divided by 3a plus b multiplied by a plus 2 divided by a. So, that gives us 9a squared b plus 2 times 9ab is 18ab divided by 3a squared plus ab. Now we factor out a for both sides, sides, top and bottom. So that leaves us with a 9 parentheses 9a 9ab plus 18b divided by, if we factor out a here, we get 3a plus b. We cancel these out. This is what we get. Okay. Now let's do 2. We already mastered 1. Now let's do 2. Solve this equation. Now it looks pretty easy. Yeah. Only if you're a dummy you cannot solve this. It looks pretty easy. Oh no. Now you can see the look on my face because this looks a little confusing. This took me a a while to figure out because, as you can see, there's something we've never done before, which is a fraction exponent. So, let's simplify this. We got minus 8 1/3, x minus 6 1/3, and y 12 1/3. Now, minus 8 1/3 is basically minus 8 to the cube root. This becomes x minus 2. And the y 12 1/3 is y 4 because 12 divided by 3 is 4. And so is with this. So, the cube root of minus 8 is minus 2. So this is what we get, but that's not our final answer yet. X minus 2 means minus 2, 1 divided by x squared. Because when this comes up, this becomes negative y4. So minus 2y4 divided by x squared, I believe. Part number 4, which is a little hard, just like number 3, but I'm sure I can get you through it. So, this time we can do a common denominator. It's very simple. So, we can multiply this by 6 and this by 4. So, that gives us 6 root 12 divided by 24 plus 4 root 27 divided by 24. We can see that we have a common denominator and it's 24. So 6 root 12, which is 6, times root 4 root 3, which is 2 root 3, plus 4 root 9 root 3, so 3 root 3. So 12 root 3 plus 12 root 3 divided by 24. So we get 24 root 3 divided by 24. Okay, now let's do number 5. So, this one might be a little confusing because it's 2 and minus 3, but it's actually really easy. You'll slap yourself for not knowing this. So, 3, we plug in 2 because that's the value of x. 2 squared minus 2. So 3 times 4 divided by 2. 3 times 4 minus 2. So that becomes 10 because 12 minus 2 is 10. Now this one is just as easy. We just plug in the thing. Minus 2 minus 2. This becomes 3 times minus 3 squared is 3 times 9 minus 2, so 27 minus 2, which is equal to 25. Now I think this is the second most complex after number 3, so you should legitimately pay attention. So, let's do 6a, 6b, and 6c. Oh no, don't pay attention to this either. So, 6. X squared minus 9 divided by x squared plus 2x minus 15. Let's do it. So, x squared minus 9, this can be simplified into x plus 3, x minus 3, divided by this quadratic, it's x squared plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. Wait, it had to be the other way around. So minus 3x plus 5x. So x plus 3, x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 plus 5, x minus 3. So x plus 3, x minus 3 divided by x plus 5, x minus 3. Now, let's test out something. Let's assume that x might be 3. But then, let's see, x plus 3. Let's not care about the top because there will be a problem with the bottom. X minus 3, 3 plus 5, which is 8. But x minus 3 means 3 minus 3, which means 0. And the calculator is going to give you error if you input in 0. So if you divide by 0, it's wrong. So it cannot be 3. Let's try 5 too. So x plus 5, now we know that x cannot be 3. Now let's try 5. X plus 5 is equal to 0 states that x is minus 5, but that is a lie. That is a lie because this takes it to minus 5 because let's not care about the top for now. Because minus 5 plus 5 makes 0 on the bottom. So the calculator will input error too. So now we know that it also cannot be 5. I told you it was. Can x be 1? Can x be 1? Yes. Can x be 2? Yes. Can x be 1,000? Yes. Can x be negative 6? Yes. But you know what? It cannot be 3 or minus 5. It cannot. Absolutely cannot. Okay, as I promised, we would do 6b. So here it is. It means 0 squared minus 9 divided by 0 squared plus 2 to 0 minus 15. So that just means minus 9 over minus 15, which can be simplified to 3 over 5 because this means 3, this means 5 if you divide both of these by 3. So whatever. Now we are also going to do 6c, and I promised. So let's see. 6c we have to find out minus 3, just like 6b. So we have to find this. So minus 3 squared is 9 minus 9 divided by x squared is 9 plus 2 times minus 3 is minus 6 minus 15. So that's 0 because the 0 divided by anything equals 0. I bet even 0 divided by infinity is equal to 0. So 0 divided by anything is 0. Okay, let's do number 7. We're almost there. So number 7 is root 7 divided by 3 root 2 minus 5. Now, what we do is conjugate, which is multiply this by 3 root 2 plus 5 divided by 3 root 2 plus 5. That's what we do. So, this becomes 3 root 14 plus 5 root 7. Man, I feel like I'm floating or what? Divided by 3 root 2, 3 root 2. That makes this becomes 9. Root 4 is 2. Minus 5 plus 5. Okay, so what we have to do here is FOIL. Now, so 3 root 2 root 7, 3 root 14, plus 5 root 7. Divided by, that could be pretty long. 3 root 2, 3 root 2 makes 9 root 4. 9 times 2, that removes our nasty things, our nasty square roots. And 3 root 2 times plus 5, we cannot forget that. So plus 15 root 2 minus 15 root 2, I believe, minus 25. So these cancel out. So 3 root 14 plus 5 root 7 divided by 18 minus 25 plus 5 root 7 divided by we just have to bring this fraction here. So 4x squared minus 49 is equal to 4 divided by 6x minus 21 minus 1 divided by 2x plus 7. 9 equals 4 divided by 6x minus 2, 21, minus, we multiply this by 3, so 2x minus 3, the 2x minus 7 becomes the 6x minus 21, and voila, you got a common denominator on the right side. So this is equal to 1. Wait, no. So this is 6x minus 21. Always write the LCD. So x minus 5, 6x minus 21. And on the right side we have 4x squared minus 49 because 1 times anything is anything. So this FOIL will distribute. So that gives us 6x squared minus 21x minus 30x plus 105 is equal to this. So this is equal to 6x squared minus 51x plus 105 is equal to 4x squared minus 49. Variables always go on the right. The coefficients, I don't know what to call them, always stay on the left. So bye-bye you. 6x squared minus 4x squared becomes 2x squared minus 51x is equal to minus 154 if you do the math. So this gives you 2x squared minus 51x plus 154 equals 0. Voila! You've got a minus 7 plus 154 because 44 times minus 44 times minus 7 minus plus equal 308, and 2 times 154 is 308. So, and 44 and 7 make 51. So I explained the many reasons. So let's go. Wait, Wait, yeah. So let's go. So 2x squared minus, wait, 2x, x minus 22, I believe. Yeah. Okay. That's good. So, we have 2x minus 7, and that's minus 22. I'm getting the answer. So x can be 3.5 since 2x minus 7 equals 0 and 2x equal to 7, so x equal to 7 over 2, which is 3.5. Or x can be 22 because x minus 22 equal to 0. We bring 22 to the other side, so we get that. Thank you for watching this whole long video. I hope you subscribe to Barry Science Lab, and don't forget about my book. It's coming out today.